Alright, we got the CSX q317-17 westbound mixed freight train. And its head is on its way to the Parkersburg branch subdivision, heading west on single track 1. Let's check it out. Here we go. I see the light. He's headed across the bridge over Route 1927 overpass. There she goes. Here she goes, folks. He's getting close right past the whistle post. He's almost there. Oh boy, yes sirree. Any minute now. 2 hours later. Oh, awesome Lawrence salute right there. Are you good? Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! 7208, 424, 519, and 8388. Wow! That's so cool, man! It's gonna be into the joint, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. And now you're coming for q317-17. Westbound mixed freight train. Alright, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central West Virginia rail fan. Out.